Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a real special 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Just a beautiful, nice all-around car. Factory Sequoia green with the green interior. It's got numbers matching Oldsmobile 350, 4-speed manual transmission.
I just love that interior. It's just not a typical green interior. Look at the quality of this damn thing.
Yeah, it's really nice. Cutlass is always, they always had a nice interior. I love the styling of these seats.
And you can tell it's all original. Look at just a little fade in that carpet. Isn't that nuts? I mean, they probably replaced maybe the original, the carpet itself, but the door panels are definitely original.
When we bought this car, we bought it as 77,000 original miles.
100%. Look at this. This is original, Dalton. That is original seat. See how it's just like light? Yeah. It's got to be. See how it's got just a little wear? What are you doing?
The phone started wigging out. I don't know. Phone got excited.
It did. It's like, I'm really excited. I love the Sequoia green.
It's a pretty car. I like the torque thrust wheels with the Hankook white letter tires. It's just got a good stance, good sound. Just a
bumpers. As I look here at the bumper too, that's original. See, just a little tiny patina on it. I like this car a lot. It's had a nice repaint years ago. I think most of the interior is original. Chrome's original.
Just a clean presenting engine compartment.
Original motor. When they did the repaint, you can just tell they took the fenders all off and stuff. They didn't just tape it off and leave the original paint there. Fenders were off, hood was off, trunk doors all green.
Here's your Cal tag, 4848 is Sequoia green, and then the trim code 982 is your green interior. It's very 70s, dude. I like it a lot. I feel like you should be wearing kind of like disco pants and...
Disco pants?
Yeah.
It even has the reverse lockout. Is still hooked up, so you got to put it in reverse to get the key out still.
Nice.
Isn't that cool?
That is cool. Bottom side of the hood's painted nicely black. The firewall's real good and solid. Car presents very well.
I love the color and I love the look. It's got a great stance too, Dalt.
Yeah, like Chad mentioned, the grill and a lot of this is original components. It appears grill has just a little bit of wear. Kind of speaks to that 70,000 miles, but well kept. The hood lines up good. You got a couple little chips that have been touched up.
The Cutlass Supreme and the Cutlass S are so different. The quarter panels are just so different, and it gives the Cutlass has two completely different looks really in the same style.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But a little different in the same year.
Yeah, the fastback look or that Cutlass S roof.
And I don't know which one I like better. I like both of them.
Yeah, good gaps.
Yeah, really nice. We got a couple tiny little chips here along the edge. There's a little paint imperfection right there too. Really nice metallic in it. Looks like that corner of the door fits awesome down there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
As we come in here, this door has never had anything done to it. That corner's all original. Nice. Nice rubbers on it as well. Looks like when they did the door jamb paint and stuff, they did all new rubbers at that time. Felts could be original.
I'd say door panels, like even look at the armrest bases, you can tell they have just a little bit of fade there on the Argent.
And the same thing with your carpet, just a little bit.
Looks like the base may have been kind of recovered, but a lot of this is original components. I love the wood grain on a Cutlass interior. Beautiful dash. Seats are awesome. Really classy.
Isn't that cool, that Hearst 4-speed? Like I said, it still has reverse lockout. No nub on the collar. Just a cool car.
Yeah, it is.
Like, so do you have a couple little... Looks like something just lightly skimmed it. Took a
like
couple
a
of
rock
chips.
or something.
Yeah.
But the roof is super straight.
It takes an act of God to get in the trunk. I need to probably get a new lock for it.
Kind of gotta wiggle it a little bit or something.
Yeah, it's an act of
That
God.
bumper's got a good shine.
There we go.
are.
Thank you,
He
Lord.
heard you. Yeah.
Oh,
Look at this.
I struggled with it the other day. This is kind of cool. Little trunk light in there. It's just unplugged. It's right here. Let's see if it works. Should we? Oh, yeah.
Look at
Oh,
that.
yeah, baby. Look at her. It's probably good just to leave it like this so it never draws your battery down. Just leave it like this. If you ever need it, plug it in. That's a different armrest base.
Another armrest base.
Yep, brand new one. Look at this is one thing I liked about it when I took pictures of it yesterday. Look at the original color still on the spare. It's got a bias ply tire still, and the jack and everything's just nice and in there still. Very clean, isn't it?
Yeah, very.
Make sure you go to our website too, coyoteclassics.com. Check out all the undercarriage pictures for yourself.
Nice old car. Trunk lid lines up nice. Got dual exhaust. Nice straight car up and down the sides too. Just see. Had some small rock chips. A couple of chips touched up there.
This is a car you can take to any car show and just be super proud of it.
Yeah.
You know? I kind of just call this car kind of classy.
Yeah, classy.
You know, like you said, it's the original
front disc
colors,
brakes.
and it's just so 70s.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, I forgot to get that door. Here, I'll just hand it through.
Sure.
Here's the dash and wood grain's awesome.
It is.
Yeah, the clock even works. That always tells you a little something about the car.
Corner of the door is nice here. It's had just a skosh of a seam seal right in here, but you can feel the lip. It's really nice and thin too. Door jamb paint's nice. Skull halves of stoppers, all new rubbers. Just very professionally done. The wood grain on the door is just as nice as the wood grain still on the dash. Isn't that great? Look at the steering column paint. It's beautiful. As far as your driver's side seat, has just a little tiny wear on this cord right here, just a little bit. Other than that, this is like perfect. I mean, it's one of those cars that I think that's original seat covers by the wear on the carpet. Also, these both work. See, and those work, both of them. It's just amazing. And look what else works. Isn't that nuts? That shuts off when the door's shut.
The clock works and the stereo works too, I think, doesn't it?
Yeah. Everything works. AM, FM, radio.
Located over the Mason City Municipal Airport, 6 miles west.
Aren't you
Sounds
impressed?
good too. I am. I like the car a lot.
Gas gauge works. It's a full tank of gas. As far as our oil and generator, brake light, and temp, it's all lights. They all came on when we fired it up, and they came right off. There's your wipers. Blades are good. Horn works. The steering wheel is not original, but I love it. It goes really nice with the shifter. And like you said, the dash pad is beautiful. The wood grain, just everything is so nice, D. You want to be careful with those. So many times those are broke. Remember, a little tab will break off. You went through that. You seen the owner's manual.
Yeah,
Light works in there too.
Owner's manual for it. Oh yeah, heck yeah.
So it's got everything.
This will be a nice break from our 600 horsepower, last test drive.
Wow, that was a
nice
little, that was
cruiser.
a little insane. Heater fan works great too. Yeah, this is going to be just a nice, relaxing drive.
Yeah.
The last one was a little white knuckled, but it's still got plenty of power.
Oh, yeah.
350. It's got a 4-barrel in it.
Sounds good too.
Speedometer works. Here's your brakes. Brakes stop great. I mean, stops right now. It does have power brakes, disc on the front. Turning signal indicators work in the dash. 77,897 miles. Looks like we're gonna get done just in time. Looks like it's rain's coming in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. Get her filmed and get her back in the showroom.
This thing's shit. It's a Saginaw, and it's got a really nice tight shift.
Yeah.
The speedometer's off on it just a little bit. I think we checked this one out. Was it 323 10-bolt gears?
Yep. Yeah, speedometer reads a little slow, don't it?
Yeah, the speedometer's definitely off. They said we were going about 45, 40 to 50. I'll be doing 60. There's your brakes. Brakes stop nice. Actually steers really good too. It doesn't have power steering, Dalton, but it steers excellent.
Yeah, looks pretty easy.
Even just turning a corner here, it's really simple. Goes into gear really nicely. Good acceleration. Look at that in a second. Up to 45. Third, down to fourth. Yeah, the speedometer's a little sporadic.
Yeah. Nice car. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.